Most small businesses run on caffeine, copy and paste, and sheer willpower. And when they try AI, most still blow it because they grab the first shiny tool and plug it into their chaos. Chaos in, chaos out. And that's why lots of AI projects just completely flop. Not because the AI itself doesn't work, but because businesses skip the important groundwork. So today, I'm gonna show you the smarter playbook. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Website Planet, where we cut the hype and save you some serious time. So let's get into it. Before you throw AI at your business, you've gotta know what's actually eating up your time. And here's the rule: if it's boring, repetitive, or makes you sigh every time you have to do it, then it's a candidate for automation. I call this the business bottleneck test. If your team keeps saying, let me just look that up all day, then that's a bottleneck. If you're copy and pasting the same info into 3 different tools, then again, that's an obvious bottleneck. If you keep promising clients, I'll send that invoice tomorrow, then yep, you guessed it, that's also a major bottleneck. And honestly, most small businesses suffer from the same pain points anyway. Email inboxes that turn into a full-time job. Invoices that get chased like missing socks, and meetings that lead to exactly 0 follow-ups until someone remembers weeks later. These aren't glamorous problems, but they are the ones that are draining your week. And the beauty of AI automation, well, these boring jobs are usually the easiest wins. So instead of dreaming up a fancy chatbot or some giant AI strategy, let's just start here. Look for the repeat offenders, like the tasks that quietly eat 30 minutes or more per day, and you've just unlocked your first automation opportunity. 3 automations you can use this week. All right, let's take action now. I'm gonna give you 3 automations that you could set up this week and start buying back your time. And don't worry, it's nothing crazy and needs no coding or a huge budget, just simple workflows that give you hours back right away. Automation 1 is inbox and lead triage. Your inbox is not your job, but it feels like it sometimes, right? With AI, you can set up a workflow that sorts incoming emails into categories like sales, support, or spam. The sales ones can get pushed into your CRM and assigned to the right person, and an AI reply can go back to the customer instantly with a personalized response. Suddenly, you're not drowning in emails and only dealing with the important ones. Automation 2 is client proposals. If you've lost count of how many hours you've lost writing proposals from scratch, then here's the fix. Once you log the client's request, an AI can pull your service descriptions, pricing, and templates together into a draft proposal. You skim it, tweak it if necessary, and send it out, sometimes in the same day instead of the next week. Faster proposals means faster deals, and your clients do notice. Automation 3 is weekly reports. Reporting is important, but it eats up a lot of time. With automation, you can connect your tools like your payment processor, analytics, and ad accounts, and have the data pulled into one single page. Then the AI adds a short summary: what went up, what went down, and what to look for next. Every Monday morning, for example, that report can land in your inbox and even your client's inbox if needed. And the best part is you spent 0 hours building it. These 3 examples are just the tip of the iceberg though. They're not flashy, but that's the point, like we talked about earlier. The boring stuff is where automation can save the most time and where you'll see results most immediately. Now, if you're wondering which AI tools are actually worth using, then we've got you covered in our total guide. So go check that out next and you'll know exactly which platforms can power the automations that we just talked about. So here's the big takeaway. Automation is about cutting the boring stuff that eats up your week, not building some futuristic robot empire. Step 1 is to spot the time sucks. Step 2 is to go after those quick wins. Step 3 is to build with guardrails so things don't blow up on you. Do that and you'll already be way ahead of 95% of businesses still wasting money on tools that they don't need. But now we'd love to hear from you. What's the #1 task in your business that you'd love to automate? Drop it down in the comment section and we might break it down in a future video. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to give it a like and hit subscribe to see future videos from Website Planet, because we'll continue showing you how to use tech in ways that actually make sense. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.